Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and whoo, it's been a hot few days, and today it's Sunday, June 22nd, and it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're already at about 87 degrees, 86 degrees this morning here in northeast Nebraska. Oh my word, not much is going on outside except the wind's blowing and it's hot. So probably not going to do a lot of car working today because the air conditioner in my garage isn't keeping up. But that's really not what this video is about, really. I've got a problem. As I continue to try and grow my channel, I've learned that I'm going to have to invest a little bit along the way. And some of that is in editing software and things like that. And as you all know, and most of you that follow my channel, or at least watch videos that excuse me, that I've put out for quite a period of time. In fact, all of my videos have been uncut and unedited. And a lot of that, I'm still going to try and keep that format. I'm just going to add in things, along the way, or try to add in, a picture here, a picture there. And I'm learning how to do that. In fact, in the last video I just posted up, I had a lead-in, a 30-second intro, which I'm going to change a little bit along the way, and my daughter Madison's going to help me out with that. However, there's software out there and that you can subscribe to that helps you with that. It also helps you with the analytics and doing some of these things that help, and they claim to help the channel grow. So Friday morning, and this is Sunday morning, so it's been 48 hours. I, by the recommendation of my daughter, Madison, she encouraged me to sign up for TubeBuddy. And I thought, okay, I'll try it for a month, see what it does. The other one, there's another one out there that's very similar to it. I tried them, and there was a lot of things that really didn't work for me, and so I thought, well, I'll try this for a month. I said, what's going to hurt? I can, I have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and full refund. You can cancel at any time. Okay, so about 6:30 in the morning on Friday. This is more than 48 hours ago. I went through the process of signing up, and I went down on the page. I signed up for the Legend package, and I clicked 29 or the monthly, the $20-some one, and it went through, and I wasn't paying. I may have made the mistake, or their site made the mistake. I don't know that part, so I'll take ownership of, which a lot of people don't do today, but I'll get into that. By not paying attention when it got to the PayPal portion of it. And so I was going through PayPal, and I thought, okay, well, this is going through pretty easy. And I clicked and hit pay, and the next thing I know, I get a notification on my phone from PayPal, because I haven't, anything that goes through PayPal, I get a notification. And I was charged $316.70. Whoa, pump the brakes there, folks. I didn't sign up for the annual one. I wanted the monthly one so that I could, test drive it. It's like cars. When you go buy a car, you like to test drive it. And so you spend that time going to the dealership to test drive a car. Most people don't just walk in and say, I want that, and leave. You do that at McDonald's, you don't do that at a car lot, or you don't do that at an RV lot. So I immediately went through their website and tried to cancel. And I did. I found the place to go cancel. Great. I even emailed support because, well, before I went to hit cancel, I emailed the support down in the lower right and said, this is what happened. Can you help me out? Blah, 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 blah. And I thought, I'm not going to get a response. I'm sure of it. And I didn't. So then I went to support, or then I went to cancel, and I hit cancel. I thought, great. Well, that's not all you have to do. I need a refund because I paid for something and I'm not going to use it. And I opened up their profile, and then that's when I saw that I was charged, in addition to the PayPal, the $316. So now I'm sitting here going, oh, crap. This is the payment on my GL350 that just came out of my bank account. And so I went and learned that, okay, now you got to submit a refund. Click on the link to hit a refund. So I hit the support. That was my first correspondence. I hit cancel. That was my second correspondence. I went and submitted the form for the refund. That was my third correspondence before 8 a.m. Central Time on Friday. I thought, well, I'll give a few hours. I worked a half a day. I had to take my wife to a doctor's appointment. And I come back, and it was about 4:30. I thought, let me see if I got my refund. Well, let me see if I got an email, because my email address is right there, big and bold. No refund, no correspondence. Thought, okay, I'm going to submit this again. This is 4 o'clock Central Time on Friday. After that, no correspondence whatsoever. I sent out 4 different correspondences to them, and not one reply. Folks, I just recently did a video regarding customer service and how the lack thereof of customer service there is in our country today. I mean, if you want something from an airline, you got to go through 15 different prompts to get to it. You talk to your cell phone company. It takes you 6 prompts to get in to talk to somebody. If you go take your car for service at a repair shop or a car dealer, it's going to take 3 days to get the part. They don't stock them anymore. Even if it's a 3-year-old car or a 10-year-old car that, it used to be, you go to the auto parts store and, man, this part worked on this, and this car. Well, not today. It's all specific to the car. And so the customer service by the manufacturer or the dealer or whatever the case may be is just not there. And here we go. TubeBuddy, all I'm asking is I want my money back. I want to be able to try your service for a month. That's all I wanted, was to try it for a month so I can make an informed, educated decision if your service will help me grow my channel. That's all I'm asking. A little correspondence. I know darn good and well at software companies, especially software companies that are on the web and they're worldwide, you've got to have support at least 12 hours a day, but there's not even a phone number to call. And that's ridiculous. It's all by email, and it's all by a form. I can't send a read receipt because I don't have an email other than support@tubebuddy.com. I could do that through my Google email, and I could do a read receipt, but that's not where I'm trying to go with this. I want my money back. I want my $316.70. Furthermore, now that it's been over 48 hours, I haven't been able to use your software because, oh, wait a minute, I canceled it the first thing. So now I have $316.70 tied up that you have. In today's world, there's probably about 17 cents or 20 cents of interest that's charged on there where I purchased a product or a service that I have not received. So let's get it together, TubeBuddy, and I want my money back. That's all I'm asking. Just send me my money back and let me make a decision whether I want to subscribe to your service on a monthly basis so that I can give it a try. Folks, I hope this is helpful to you because this is happening all over. And this is what happens. I got a notification this morning on my phone that did you make a charge to this organization with your debit card? No, I didn't. I didn't talk to them today. I don't recall having an account with them. And then I got to thinking, yes, I bet I did. It was kind of an automatic thing when I went and I'll tell you what it is. It's Good Sam Club. A year ago, I purchased an air conditioning unit for the top of my travel trailer because the one that was on there went out, and I went to Camping World because they had the best deal. Well, they automatically sign you up for Good Sam Club, and since I put it on my debit card, I got charged an annual renewal. So I responded, no, I don't need Good Sam Club. I had it before a long time ago. I mean, 15, 20 years ago, and the service didn't work for me. It doesn't work for me. And so it's a good thing that I got a clarification. Did you make this purchase? No, I didn't. So, folks, be careful out there when you're doing things online and things like that. Where do you get the support? Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Put your comments down below. TubeBuddy, I want my money back. Thanks for watching.